Okay, so here's today's check. And they're all growing really tall, really fast now, which is what we should be seeing. And what we're literally waiting for to raise the lights so that they can start spreading out is for this new seeding to take. This guy right here. And we'll know if he takes in about 3 more days. But you can see all these guys are starting to get really tall really fast. And so I've trimmed a couple to try to control the growth. And the one that's getting the most trimming is the dill, because you can see he's just like literally taking over. He's spreading out across the lights. So this piece here will end up getting trimmed off, and a couple of the other frond stems, just to try to control his spread so he doesn't overwhelm all the other plants. But there they are. So that's today's check, and I will check in with you tomorrow.